Hello, I'm in Newport, Oregon, discussing IB Environmental Systems and Studies for 3.2 biodiversity. So there's multiple factors that can arise to biodiversity or speciation between two species through evolutionary factors. One factor is predation. One species may just be more adapted to evading a predator. Example, faster, more available to camouflage themselves. This is because these species will be able to pass on their genes and affect the species later on. Another example is through geographic factors. For example, a population may be split by mountain range, or in this case, between a land bridge up at this reservoir. This will cause the two species to have different factors that will select on them. Over time, these two factors will cause the species to diverge far enough apart where the factors will cause it. Another thing is that time, that one subset of the species just may be more active during the night, causing them not to interact with the ones that are more active during the day. Again, over time, these changes will build up, cause two new species. Finally, another one is that behavioral changes may cause speciation, such as birds are really common. The mating dances will just cause behavioral changes where one bird may not be interested in another. This is also prevalent in whales, the songs. Finally, one key factor between all this is that changes must be present in a population in order to have selective pressures on it, so mutation. And then there must also be a pressure causing these changes to be prevalent. And finally, these changes must be genetic. They must be passed on. They can't be, say, it's more advantageous to have one arm than none, even though this species may start out with two. There's no genetic factor that is causing this to be caused, such as through life. So, example of this would be that the fish may go through here over time in 1,000 years or so. There may be two subsets of species if the water stopped transferring. This could be through predation. The smaller fish have different predators. Another factor may be there's just a larger subset of species that are more active at night. Another is one mutation may pop up in this one and not the one south of here. And all of these will eventually result in two species being genetically close but not being able to interbreed with each other.